Hello all, good morning. Welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. Everyone has hope everyone is in the very difficult time. So if everyone is supporting well, it will be moving further. So hope everyone is safe inside the home, and whoever is coming outside, please don't go out without any essential need. So please be at home and please be safe. This is how we can secure ourselves, our family and our society. So everywhere the slogan is coming as stay home and stay safe. This is the main motto, main thing everyone is saying. So please be at home and be safe. And all the as everyone knows, the dispatches has been stopped because no courier service is working. So the dispatch will be resuming post the courier service is active. So I don't know whether the lockdown will be recovering from April 14th or something. So until the further notice, the dispatch is stopped. So if you want to book any sarees or dress materials or any of our products, you can just block the product, do payment post the courier services starts functioning. So we will be blocking the product for you in that period, and once the courier services starts to functioning, you can make the payment and you can ask for the dispatch immediately. So that's how we are planning to resume the functions. So I will be moving with the sarees. Now I am going to show all of them are jute linen sarees with e-card printing, priced at 850 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. I will be repeating the shipping charges as I am coming for live after a long time. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost plus the shipping cost. Resellers are also welcome with a certain limit with a good margin. Okay, so I will be moving with the sarees. So this is saree 1. Please take the screenshot of the sarees if you are having any enquiries. Don't go with the numbers of the sarees which I am showing. So this is the pallu of the saree, or the fabric is jute linen. Okay, all of them are in very good colors. So it is a red with black combination. This is the body part. So you have this kind of printing in the body part, and this is the pallu, a contrasting one, red with black, and this is the blouse piece. Even in the blouse piece you have this kind of designs printed. This is saree 1. All the sarees are priced at 850. Shipping charges is extra. So if you want to block the sarees, please take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So hope the colors and designs are very clearly visible. So this is saree 1. I will be showing you the sarees one after the other. So if you want to block, you can please take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp me. You can just block the products if you are really in need. So if you don't want the products, you can please unblock, so that we will be giving the priority to the next customer who are asking for the details. So once if you are blocking, and if you really want to go, you can make the payment once the courier services and everything comes back to normal. So this is the next one. This is the pallu. You have this kind of mango designs and all the geometrical designs. And this is set 2. It's a kind of light brownish with red combination with beach pattern. Okay, so and the blouse pieces. This is the blouse piece. So pallu and the blouse and the saree. So this is how the design will be coming. This is the second one. So the fabric is jute linen. It will be very soft. Okay, it's a jute composition, and the linen jute with linen composition. This one. So this is the next one. So this is the body part. It's a royal blue color with red combination. and this is a pallu. All of them has the e-cut designs and the geometrical designs printed. It's a printed jute linen fabric material. Actually, the colors are slightly brighter. It's not this brighter in the reality. So this is the pallu, and this is the blouse piece, and this is the sari. So most of the blouses will be coming contrast with at least any designs. So only one or two will be having the self colors. All of the pallus also having the tassels. So this is a lovely black with beige combination. So this is the pallu and this is the body part. The entire saree has this kind of designs. It's a black color with beige combination. So this is the pallu part. Pallu. This is the blouse and this is the body part. This is how the saree will be. So it's a lovely black with beige combination. All of them having the e-cut and geometrical patterns printed. The fabric is very soft. So the blocking is accepted. If you want to place the orders by making money, it's your wish. But we don't entertain making the payment now. So you can just block the sarees. If you are interested, you can share the screenshot of the saree and you can say please block the saree. So that we will be blocking for you, and once everything comes back to normal, you can place the order. I mean that you can pay for the order. So we will be dispatching the products immediately. If you are unblocking, please immediately say, so that we will be releasing the product for you for the next needed person. So yeah, you can order, ma'am. Nikita ma'am, you can order. You can say the product which you want to block. I will be blocking. Please pay the pay for the products after everything comes to normal, so that you can also be in ease. So this is saree body and this is the pallu. And this is the blouse piece and yeah, pallu, blouse piece, and this is the saree. This is how the entire saree will be looking. The same rule is applicable for the resellers also. If any of the products you are want to resell as confirmed, you can please block it for the respective customer. So once everything comes to normal, you can pay for the order and we can dispatch the order immediately. That's how everyone could be in ease. So this is the next one. So I will show you the body part first. So this is the body part. Entire body design will be coming like the same, so that I am not opening fully. So this is how the body design will be coming. It's again blue with red combination. And this is the pallu. And the blouse piece is red, as like the border, and this is the body part. So I will be posting the pictures of the saree immediately after this live, so you can refer to the pictures also for the future reference. And if you want any more real pictures, please share me the screenshot of the saree to my WhatsApp. I will give you more pictures and the details also. This is a red with light yellow color combination. The fabric I am repeating again is a jute linen sarees. All of them are printed, very lightweighted. It's not much transparent. Many one will be asking if it is very transparent or something. It's not much transparent. So this is the blouse piece. And this is the sari. This is the pallu. Okay, all the pallu has this kind of tassels. This is the tassels you can see. So this is the entire look of the sari. And I'm moving with the next one. It's a light grey with pink combination, a different combination. All of them are daily wear and office wear collections. So I will show you the body part first. So this is how the body will be coming. I know many are not going for office now, but still I'm just posting my collections in the live, and we are doing only in the online as of now. And the blouse is coming with the self color, but the design is different. This is the body and this is the blouse. Even in the online we are just only blocking. We are not taking the orders with payment for security reasons and for the mindsets also. So you can just simply block the products. So once everything is normal, you can make the payment. So more again a blue with red combination. So this is a sari. All of them are printed with e-cut designs. And this is the pallu. It's a red pallu and it comes with a plain red blouse. So this is how the sari will be looking. For the clear picture of the saris, I will be posting the pictures after this live show in my page Sri Purnima, the same page which I am going in the live. So you can see the pictures for your reference. You can share the picture or you can take the screenshot of the saris for further enquiries. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have given my details in the group in the description field. I have mentioned my direct link also so that you can directly ping me without saving my number. We are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. It's a home-based store. So, but we deal with offline also. But with this current situation, we are dealing only with the online. So this is a black with light pink. It's a baby pink combination. So, and this is the pallu. And this is the blouse piece. So all of them are jute linen. It's slightly transparent, but once if you take a fleet, you can see that it's not that much transparent. So this is the last saree for the live. We will be coming up with the collections here on the live shows. So after the next week started, so once everything comes back to normal, we will be resuming with the normal operations also. As of now, we will be just showcasing you the collections whichever we are having. So all of them are hand stocks only. It's a home-based e-store. So we deal with offline and online also. But right now we have stopped the offline communications all over. So only the online blocking is allowed. So you can make the payment once everything comes back to normal. You can just share the screenshot and you can ask me to block. That's how we are planning to function as of now. So that's all, guys. So again I'm repeating, please be at home, please be safe. That's how you can save yourself and your family, and that's how we can give our social responsibility also. This is not just a fun. So that's all. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.